Number 1, preserve the value of the home. Taking care of your foundation repair and waterproofing needs before the realtor or buyer requires it not only means making more money on the sale, it means enjoying your largest asset while you live there. Number 2, prevent future damage. Ongoing issues means more damage over time and more costly repairs down the road. Number 3, preserve the aesthetics. Ongoing issues are not only more costly to repair in the future, the more severe the damage, the more unsightly your home will appear. Number 4, safety. A little preventative maintenance when issues first arise can prevent safety concerns such as loose bricks and trip hazards in concrete. Number 5, peace of mind. We sleep easier at night knowing our home is structurally sound and well kept. If you'd like more information, give us a call or visit us at afsrepair.com.